In this subsection, we'll delve into analyzing the content and structure of emails to recognize phishing attempts. The same phishing email header will be our reference as we go through the process. Gaining a deeper understanding of email structure and content is essential to stay safe from potential cyber threats. Here are the key steps to analyze email content and structure. The first step is to examine the email header. Look for inconsistencies in the from and subject fields. So the from doesn't seem to be a legitimate or known sender, and the subject is your Netflix account is on hold, which can be possible but not likely. And also be cautious of mismatched IP addresses. That is, the IP address for this is 209.85.167.226, whereas the DNS server resolves to google.com, whereas the domain is not google.com, it's something else. And next, also look out for unrelated domains and subdomains. So this is the subdomain of this domain, which is not related to Netflix. And also look out for urgency tones. So this, your Netflix account is on hold subject, seems to be very urgent, and this could be a possible phishing attempt. The next step is to inspect email content. Closely study the email's body and be alert to any suspicious links, attachments, or requests for personal information. We can clearly see that here they're requesting for your personal information, which is clearly suspicious. And next, let's go to the URL. So the URL is t.co/ random set of characters, which could be Twitter URL, and the scheme is HTTPS, and the port is 443, which is a HTTPS site. So if you click on this virus total here, it will give you the enrichment for why it is malicious. So you can see that Webroot, CMC Threat Intelligence, and Avira have classified it as phishing. And the HTTP status code is currently 403, which is forbidden, so it need not be malicious at the moment, but it was malicious some time ago. And it was based on an Apache server. 3. Verify the sender's identity. If the email appears to be from a legitimate source but contains questionable elements, contact the alleged sender to authenticate its legitimacy. By following these steps, you can enhance your ability to analyze email content and structure, allowing you to identify and steer clear of potential phishing attacks.